Welcome to my study notebook. Today we are going to solve another arithmetic problem. In this problem statement it says, Rose equally divided all the chocolates she had in 2 bottles. Amy ate 1/4 of the first bottle and 1/6 of the second bottle. In the end, if 19 chocolates were left in total, how many chocolates Rose had in the first place? So let us assume that Rose had 2x chocolates in total, and then she divided them up in 2 boxes, each having the amount x, so that it's equal, and once you sum it up, it adds up to the 2x amount of chocolate in total. Now Amy ate 1/4 of the first bottle, so she ate x by 4, and then she ate 1/6 of the second bottle, and therefore after whatever she ate, there was remaining 3/4 of the first bottle and 5/6 of the second bottle. Now this is equal to 19 because 19 chocolates remained after whatever she ate. So if we solve this equation, we can get x, and then we can find the total amount of chocolate that Rose initially had, which is 2x. So let us now solve this equation. So it's 12, it's 3 and 3 9x, and 2 10x equal to 19. 19x equal to 19 times 12. So we have x equal to 12. So Rose initially had 2x chocolates, so it's 2 times 12 equal to 24. So initially she had 24 chocolates.